Welcome to our channel. Virtual cards provide secure payment options for online shopping and direct deposits. This quick guide will show you how to activate your virtual card for direct deposit purposes. Step 1. Log into your online banking account or the financial service that issued your virtual card. Use your established credentials to access the dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Cards or Accounts section where your virtual card information is displayed. Look for options related to virtual card management. Step 3. Select your virtual card from the list of available payment methods. Check if there's an Activate or Enable button specific to the card. Step 4. If activation is required, follow the on-screen prompts to activate your virtual card. You may need to verify your identity through security questions or two-factor authentication. Step 5. Once activated, locate the direct deposit setup section within your account. This is usually found under Funding, Deposits, or Account Services. Step 6. Find your virtual card's routing number and account number. These details are essential for setting up direct deposit with your employer or payment source. Step 7. Provide these numbers to your employer or whoever will be sending you payments. They'll use this information to route funds directly to your virtual card. Step 8. Verify that the direct deposit information has been set up correctly by checking with your HR department or payment provider. Your first deposit may take 1 to 2 pay cycles to process. Once established, funds will be automatically loaded to your activated virtual card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.